So last month, we actually went to Cebu for our mom's first death anniversary. Pero syempre, nagkaroon kami ng mga side trip. And on my side, my sister actually took me to New Star with her husband and son. So Mark and I were both very happy because actually last year when we went there to lay our mom to rest, we saw a New Star. Pero dahil nga naman sa mga ganap sa buhay, we were not able to do a little bit of sightseeing. But this time around, thankfully, we were able to. And ako, honestly, I felt like my mom was with us. She would have loved to go to this place and try out the food. Like, guaranteed 100%. This was a place that our mom would have definitely loved to see, to explore, and to enjoy. So, because she's not able to do it, kami na lang yung gagawa for her. Kasi, that's the joy of living or the beauty of living. We get to do the things that our loved ones are no longer able to do because they've moved on. Ayan naman, yung husband ko, diba, syempre, forma na siya, pa-picture na. Kasi, bagay nga naman yung emperor feels sa kanya. Nakakatawa lang na, he's like a kid. And he gets to do these things. And I get to witness it. Yung place, pagdating, sabi ko, grabe, familiar siya. Similar siya to this hot pot place that I wanted to try in Pasay. Turns out, it's actually the same one. And parang ito yung isang franchise nila in Cebu. So, ayan, ang majestic, 'di ba? Parang feeling ko lang naman ha, and I may be wrong. Parang ganito yung mga settings sa movies. And then, parang ganito yung mga restaurants during the old times, so to speak. Tapos, ayan yung pang hot pot nila. Kakaiba, 'di ba? Hindi siya yung usual na may malaki dyan sa gitna, tapos ilalaglag nyo. No, kanya-kanya. Very personalized. Tapos, meron din mga pang photoshoot area. So, again, this is called the Good Luck Hot Pot. This is located inside New Star in Cebu. If you haven't been here, you really need to give it a try. Yan yung sesame oil niya. O, diba, naka-in-can. Ang bongga lang. And then, this is how they serve their tea. Ang galing ng babae. Sobrang praktisado, but I can imagine the hardship of getting this right. All the paso, all the buhos na tea, just to get this right and to be able to serve tea in a different way or in the same way that they used to do. And then, eto, pinagawa namin yung sauce namin kasi hindi naman kami ganun kagaling gumawa ng sauce. So, sabi namin, let's leave it to the experts na lang. Kaya si kuya na yung gumagawa ng sauce for us, ni husband, and I think para sa pamangkin ko na rin. So, we just made sure na we told him we don't like spice, we don't like this, we prefer this. Tapos siya na yung gumawa. And he was very patient with us. The service was really, really, pang 5-star, which is what I was expecting and which is something that we also got. So, I'm very happy about that. Kasi minsan, hindi nagtutugma. But thankfully, this time around, everything was on point and they were really attentive. They took good care of us. Mind you, this is not sponsored. I believe that my brother-in-law and my sister paid for this. So yes, no, it's not sponsored. I don't think the people of Cebu actually knows who I am or cares who I am. So magsasabi dyan, syempre, blogger ka. No po, I went there as, the little sister of my ate na nililibre niya kasi nagpapalibre ako. So, yun lang naman. I love that it's very intricate how they do this, whole sauce thing. Hindi minamadali. They really take their time. They explain. They show you how they put the sesame oil. Again, as mentioned, their sesame oil is actually in a can, which is the first time that I've seen something like that. And then, yes, we have our little aprons, which is really good because for someone like me na messy eater at times, sadly, at least hindi madudumihan yung damit ko. And everyone is actually given one of these aprons. So, hindi naman sila nagiging parang discriminating. It's really for everyone kasi nga mag-hotpot ka, pwede ka matapon ng sauce. And ayan na nga, nag-start na sila mag-serve ng iba-ibang mga appetizers. And then we have this slice of beef, which is so good, ha. Like, on its own, it was so juicy and really good. Tapos, meron silang soup. And as you can see, napaka-healthy ng soup na to. So, syempre, inubos namin lahat. Ayan na yung beef. Masarap siya, again, on its own, pero pwede mo rin i-dip. Ito na naman yung hot pot. This is the way they actually set up your hot pot. Oh, diba? And that's just for you. So, very hygienic. Para sa mga taong ay nag-share ng sabaw, kanya-kanya yan. Ito medyo nagulat kami kasi sabi nila mild spicy, pero sabi ko parang ang pula, parang ang anghang, 'di ba? This is mine naman, this is mushroom soup. So, again, overall very healthy, very tasty, as in, kung pwede lang kunin, tapos sunggaban mo. Ayan, this is their famous parang beef mountain or beef volcano. Wala lang usok yung sa amin kasi naubusan sila ng dry ice that day. But normally, this is served as a volcano. May umuusok-usok dapat dyan. And then, ayan na yung mga hot pot choices. Nung una, sabi pa namin, okay, kayang-kaya namang, ubusin, kainan, kasi ito lang. Yun pala, marami pa. Tapos, here it is, the star of the show, the actual hot pot. And then, grabe, nakakatakam, diba? Sin lahat na nakikita mo dyan, we tried each and every single one. Kasi syempre, nilibre na nga kami, choosy pa kami. Hello, ayan na. Grabe, ang happy-happy lang na pakiramdam. I was like, thank you so much, Lord, for this blessing. Kasi, kung kami lang, baka hindi kami kakain dito kasi it's a little bit too pricey. So, thank you so much, ate. And to my brother-in-law, this one was so good. I think this is like crispy pork dumpling. Ay, ang sarap-sarap. And then, hello, mayroon tayong crabs, merong shrimp, merong beef, may crab stick, may mga fish tofu, my mom's favorite, may sashimi na sobrang fresh. Ayan, o diba? May clams, merong, ano ba to? Cuttlefish. This is tuna, super duper good. As in, iniisa-isa namin. May Wagyu cubes at ang ganda-ganda ng presentation. Hello naman, di ba? Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito kagandang presentation ng Wagyu cubes. And ang sarap din niya. Just make sure you don't overcook kasi pag na-overcook, minsan pwedeng tumigas. That's the star of the show. The star of the entire lunch. The lobster. Grabe. As in, this was so good. I cooked mine for like 30 seconds. Hinawakan, chopsticks ko. Dinip ko sa sabaw. I literally counted 1 to 30. Tapos sobrang juicy. Kung pwede lang kunin lahat on my own, na hindi ka magmumukhang greedy, I would have done it. And then they also have a cultural presentation. So may sasayaw dyan. Which was really actually nice kasi you get to see a little bit of the culture ng Chinese. They presented it really well and, very elegantly. Tapos, meron din silang yung nagsaserve ng hot tea. So, kung tama yung naalala ko, this is how they do it in the olden days. Ayan. O, diba? Magsaserve lang ng tsaa, ang bongga pa niya. As in, may pa swing-swing na ganyan. And then, they have this fish. It's an alligator fish. You're not supposed to touch it. You're not supposed to dip your hand. Kasi pwede kang makagat. Tapos ito, pangarap ko palang makakain nito is snow crab, king crab. So hopefully, manifesting na this year, makakain po tayo niyan. Kasi really expensive and pricey. Pero ang balita ko, worth it naman din talaga. So for those who have tried, let me know. And then we got these. O diba? Meron silang pa blind box effect, tokens, remembrance, and then, syempre, the dessert. Overall, my experience with New Star was really very pleasant, very nice, busog na busog. I love the place, the vibe, everything, and my gosh, my mom would have just super loved it. So, make sure to drop by New Star when you visit Cebu.